Could be because I'm using Chrome, but here's what I see. I go to the drive, come over here on the left hand side, hit new, do a file upload, and find the file, specify the range. And hit open. And notice it's uploading all 23. It does do them one at a time. But I don't have to do each one file by file. The only thing I can figure is Google's a Chrome product, Chrome's a Chrome product, and maybe that's, or actually I said that backwards. Chrome is a product of Google, so maybe this is just something that the browser lets you do with the Google Drive that you can't do otherwise. But notice I am in drive.google. That may be the other thing, just simply because I'm using Google Drive instead of just taking it there. Anyway, that's what I see when I do it.